Hi, hello and good morning everyone. Newborn Investor here and welcome to my live day trading video. Hopefully the market gives us some great opportunities today as we're all here to make some money. So if you're new to my channel, you know what to do. Consider subscribing if you're interested in stock market investing and trading. I do offer a free Discord chat group where I post my trade ideas before it plays out, so please feel free to check out the link in the description below. Alright, let's see what we have for today. I have 3 stocks in my watch list today, ticker SCPS, Laser and PLTR. SCPS is the leading gapper on my watch list today with almost 1.8 million shares traded. However, it's a pharma stock with low float, so I'll be very careful with SCPS. Probably I'll not take a trade on SCPS because it's a low float stock and I usually don't trade penny stocks. But it's a recent IPO, it's having a ton of volume. Just keeping it on watch for now. Then I do have Laser. Volume is low, but it can give me some good setup, so I'm just keeping it on watch. And I do have PLTR, which I think should give me some good setup. So PLTR is already making new highs pre-market, so I'll definitely keep it on watch. I'm more inclined to trade PLTR into market open as it's more reliable. I definitely had some good profits trading PLTR, so I'll keep it on watch. The market opens in another 15 minutes, so I'll go ahead and pause for now and I'll talk to you guys just before market open. The market opens in another 2 minutes and I'm watching both SCPS and PLTR. I'm being very careful on SCPS, but the stock is very tempting. The stock just have a 500,000 share float, so obviously supply is very low and it's a recent IPO. So if volume comes in, this is going to go parabolic. So I'm just keeping it on watch. PLTR looks good as well. We do have close to around 1 million shares traded pre-market. I'll keep it on watch. Laser, probably I will not be trading Laser. Going into market open, I'll be watching SCPS and PLTR. PLTR being my primary watch and SCPS being my secondary watch. The market opens in another 20 seconds. The market is open. So it's coming to my level. My level was around 26.34. My first level, it bounced off that area. I'll wait. 26.28, I just placed an order. I'm not sure whether I would get it. I got in. So my next ad is around 26.15. I didn't get my ad. I've had an order around 26.13, but I didn't get it. Bummer. Just flipping over to SCPS. SCPS is halted. I don't want to trade the stock. As I said earlier, it's going to go parabolic today. I missed my second ad between the cup and the lip. The low of the candle was 26.13. I didn't get filled. Just 100 shares, not a big deal. I got in 26.13. Now my next order is at 26. Just placing that over there. So I'm expecting a bounce. Probably in the bounce I'll sell my 100 shares first. Selling 100 shares. Sold my complete position. The stock behaved exactly as I planned. So I think my second exit, I didn't get a good fill. I thought I was getting it around 26, 35 or 38. But I think I got a fair share of the profits. So not a great trade, not a home run trade, but a base hit, making sure that I'm green on the day. On the trade, I made close to around $19. I'll take it and I'll keep looking. I'm just getting in Laser around 25.82. Not a big share size, just 100 share size. In and out of Laser. It was a quick trade. I think I'll stop trading for the day because I just have $5,000 remaining. I want to preserve that capital for tomorrow, else I'll not be able to trade tomorrow. So Laser, so far I think I've traded 3 times and 3 times it gave me money. Overall, on the day, I made close to around $48. I would take what the market gives and be completely happy with it. As I always say, the goal here is not to hit home runs, but to make consistent base hits and live another day to trade. I'll talk to you guys tomorrow. Until then, stay safe and thanks for watching. Bye.